Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Myself and Manu. Today I will discuss how to connect BMP180 with Ardino. So let's start. Today our record element is At first, I discuss about BMP180 pin. This is BMP180 sensor. It has 4 pins: VCC, ground, FPL, and SGA. FPL and SGA pin for transfer analog data to Ardino. So now connection. Here we connect VIN with 5V of Ardino, ground to ground, and FPL and SGA connect with any analog pin. So now I am doing this. Here I connect 5V with 5V connect with VCC of BMP180, and then ground with connect VCC ground, SCL connect with EF4, and SG connect with A5. Now I connect this USB cable with Ardino. Now I am going to code. At first I open the Ardino software. And this is your code. Now first I need the library function of BMP180, so I install the library from. Now I am going to the sketch, then include library, then I am going to manage library. Now search your BMP. Here are the many BMP library. So I install this BMP and BMP05. Okay, library function upload done. Now I'm going to do and select the port. Now I'm uploading the code. And put it up, upload here, upload done. Now I'm open the serial monitor. Now here we see the some values. Provide altitude is 1655 meters and 5430 feet, and temperature here, the absolute pressure and sea level pressure. All are we get some value from the BMP180. So that's all today. So for today, see you again in the next video tutorial. Welcome back to the watch the next video. Thank you. Tata.